right, this is going to be a demonstration on how to do leaves using a spray bottle. Spray bottles such as this. You adjust the tip so droplets come out. You don't want a stream of water and you don't want mist. You want droplets. In my palette, I've got spring green, hooker's green, and burnt sienna. You can mix lots of other different colors. You can have straight green, but straight green out of the tube kind of screams at you. So I'm mixing a little burnt sienna with the hookers and the spring green, just to get kind of a, it's kind of looking olive green. So here we go. Now I'm doing this on Bristol board, and I forgot to say you should always have some Viva paper in your hand to blot with. Okay, put in a little burnt sienna, get a little dark down here. Now this technique works really well on hot press paper. In this case, this is Bristol board. And we'll make a big blob for tree and then add in some sky holes down here. Okay. Get a little spring green. And we'll run this off the page or the paper. Okay, you've got no sky holes here. You don't want too many sky holes. And then you bring the leaves out like so. All right, we're getting a tree here. Or should I say we're getting the leaves. All right, this could be turned into a forest. Let's just for fun, I've got a little orange here, and let's see what happens. We drop a little orange in just to give it a little color. Okay. Here we go. Get dark down here. Bring these leaves out. And we'll walk the tree off the page or the paper right here. We'll bring it up. Let's get this down. Okay, this is good right here. Let's just blot this a little bit. Drop in some real darks. The bottom of the tree, the sun doesn't get there that often, or usually it's hidden by leaves, so we'll make the tree dark. Okay, let's let that dry. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Everything's dry. Yeah, let's turn this into a forest. We're having fun. Let's see. I don't want the water to get up into here, so we'll spray down here. Spray some droplets. And we'll lighten it up a little bit. Use some more spring green there. Okay. Oops. Didn't want to do that, but we'll get rid of that. Now we'll darken it a little bit. And we'll marry these two up right here. And bring the leaves out like so. Leave a little sky hole here. Bring this out. And we'll pull out a little. All right. Yeah, let's bring it down so I can cover my goof up there. Darken this down here. I'm just using the tip. And we'll bring it down like so. And we'll walk this across a little bit. See how that's exploding there, the water droplet? And what about that orange? Let's see. Drop it right in here. Yeah, that adds a little color. Okay, down here. All right, we're going to let that dry. Okay, I'm back. Everything is dried pretty much. Give you a look. We got a forest going here. Maybe a little bit too much green. Maybe I should have put a little bit more orange in, but you're getting the idea. Now, let's say let's make a hill coming down like so. And we'll get a tree trunk going up here. Now to do a quick tree, I've got sepia here and burnt sienna. And we'll lay in some water freehand. Let's see what we got here. Get the tree in. Yeah, that's a pretty good tree. Let's see, let me get some more Viva paper here. Get rid of this. we'll blot a little bit more, get some contrast. Yeah, drop in a little dark. Okay, we got us a little tree here. See what happens if we hit it with a hairdryer. Yeah, that's looking good. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and let's see. Yeah, let's bring. Okay, this is the background hill. Here's a foreground hill, and we'll get a tree trunk going up here. I've got my brush loaded up with burnt sienna, ultramarine, burnt sienna, and a little sepia. Let's make this a thick tree coming up. Kind of a gnarly tree. And we'll blot a little bit again to get contrast. Get it real dark going up into the tree. Yeah, it's kind of a funky looking tree. Okay, here we go. And we'll blot a little bit. All right, let's see if we like this. I'll get you up the top here. Here's the top of the tree, the background tree. Here's the foreground tree. And that is a kind of a humpback tree, but who cares? Okay, I'll let this dry. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. I'm playing around with this a little bit. I was going to let it dry, but didn't have enough contrast, so I'm dropping in a little dark down here. Burnt sienna, maybe up here. See what we can do. Get this in the camera. All right, this is kind of a fun look here. Okay. Let's darken this. And we'll make it real dark up here. And we'll let the water run down just a touch. And we'll run this up and off the page. Yeah, okay. I'm liking that. Don't like this here, so let's get rid of this and bring it down. Put a little more dark in here. How about some orange? All right, we're getting a good look there. Let's run this off the page. Oops. Okay, I better stop now. We're going to let this dry. So I'll be back. All right, to wrap this up, we'll show you the finished product, the leaves here. I dropped in a little blue, add a little interest there. You just didn't want white. This is the look you want to get right in here. This is almost impossible to do just by dabbing. With the spray bottle, you drop in the pigment into the little droplets and they explode. So here is the finished product. And this is a good look down here. Now I had a green leaf right here, but the green here washed that out. So I had to come along and do a little dabbing here to bring these leaves into the foreground. So to finish up, I put a little lemon yellow and spring green and signed it. So hope this was of interest. And there we have it. Okay, everybody have a wonderful day.